when I joined the WCVA, the Voluntary Services Recovery Fund panel. So again, my passion was very much that how I can, use my experiences and my skills, then to share that with the panel member, and then to see that how we can help and support the third sector and all those voluntary sector organization where they are providing essential lifelines, including kind of food deliveries, emergency medical care, ensuring government guidelines reach all communities in tackling the declining mental health. At the time, because when I started, we were in the COVID-19 kind of pandemic, and that's where the fund. So kind of the first round of funding was the voluntary services emergency fund, and when I joined the panel, we were very much focusing on the recovery fund. And so that's kind of my passion and my experiences, and I wanted to kind of play a key role in that role. Was very much to kind of focus on the reducing the inequalities across the society, and that is maybe as a result of the kind of the COVID-19 or other structural barriers within the communities, but to ensure that there is a fair and just recovery. So that was kind of the back of my mind when I was joining the panel.